a tutorial video from the Center for Entrepreneurship. So what's up guys, it's a whole new semester and a brand new batch of freshly graduated high school students as well as returning COM students have now registered for COM-FSM. If you're one of those students, this one's for you. So this semester we'll be doing majority of our classes online. So I'm here to give you a few tips and shortcuts to help you guys maneuver around this fall semester's online courses. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Gmail account if you have one. If not, I strongly suggest you create a Gmail account. So now that you're already logged in, the next thing you're going to want to do is find the settings icon, which is located right here at the upper right corner of your screen. Next, click on the See All Settings options. Look for the Accounts and Imports tab and go straight to the Check Mail from Other Accounts. Here you'll be able to add your COM webmail account. If you've already been provided a COM webmail, now is the time to input that email. Here in this section, you'll be given two options. The first option is to link accounts with Gmailify. Unfortunately, this Gmailify is not available, so you'll have to go for the second option, which is import emails from another account. Here, all you have to do is add in your password for your COM-FSM webmail account. After adding your password, you can then scroll down to where it says Add Account. Right here, it'll send you a confirmation code to verify your account. An easier way of verifying your account is to tap that fourth link on the confirmation email. It'll redirect you to a different page where it'll ask you to confirm your account. Tap on that option and you're all good to go. And that brings our tutorial to a close. Stay tuned for more of our videos.